My name is Mark Jacob. I'm the Security and Facilities Manager here at the LaLiT London Hotel. My responsibilities here at the hotel is to look after the fire systems and all its aspects and the general maintenance and upkeep of the hotel. The LaLiT London is a 5-star luxury boutique hotel in London Bridge. We strive for excellence in all areas of hospitality, whether that being the guest experience, customer service, rooms, food and beverage, and we aim to bring a personal guest experience and excellent customer service for all our guests from start to finish. As a facilities manager, my main goal is to make sure that our guests are safe and secure, and how we do that is by using quality systems and providers. Our main goal when we were looking for a new service provider was to get all our wet and dry systems under one contractor. We were looking for something a bit more cost effective with a 4-hour response time, and the last thing that was the most important to us was to get the communication channels open with regular updates.
I'm the Business Development Manager for the London and South East region of FPG, who are part of the Scootum Group. When I had my first meeting here with Mark Jacobs, he mentioned that he wanted regular communication. He wanted to use the same engineers so they become familiar with the site and the members of staff at the LaLiT Hotel become familiar with them.
So based on our requirements, FPG's actually ticked all the boxes and provided us with a personal service from the account manager all the way to the engineers as well. This is the same level of service we aim to give to our guests. And one of the things that really impressed me was the engineers were incredibly knowledgeable and they were always willing to lend a hand where possible. FPG looks after the entirety of our fire alarm systems and suppression systems. The fire alarm is looked after 4 times a year. The fire extinguishers are recertificated once a year. We look after our emergency lights. They do the testing and they do remedial works where necessary. We have our dampers and smoke vents also looked after by FPG, and our Ansel fire suppression system in the kitchen. My experience of FPG's service so far has been really good. We've had a very prompt response. We've had great advice, which has been well received. There's definitely a level of trust that we have with the team at FPG. We've had a fire risk assessment in August 2018 due to major operational changes since our pre-opening stage. This actually highlighted some underlying issues and some concerns that our previous company was not able to pick up. My short answer is yes. So I've been very happy and impressed with FPG as a whole. Their management team in the office, their account managers, they're all very knowledgeable in what they're doing. The engineers know exactly what they're doing on site. Like I said before, they're happy to lend a hand where possible. I'm happy to recommend FPG for future works, and I'm happy to continue this relationship with FPG moving forward.